Hi all, this is Kundan here and welcome to this quick tutorial on the AE template, and the template name is Social Network Sphere Logo Reveal. So like before, once you have the template open inside After Effects, inside the project panel you'll see a folder. Inside the folder you'll find all the required comp and footages for this template. So to start up, to replace the logo in the template, I'll import the logo inside the project panel. So to do that, inside the project panel, right click, import file, and then you can select your logo, hit open, and then go inside the replace with your logo comp, and then drag and drop your logo inside this comp and turn off the visibility of the placeholder logo that we have from the beginning. Next thing, to make the changes to the text, double click in the replace with your text comp in the project panel, and here's our text comp. Double click in the text layer here and then type in your web address, so your text here, let's just say .net. And then to review these changes, double click in the final comp in the project panel. So here's our text, here's our logo, which is coming out really too small, so we'll fix that right away. So to make the adjustment to the scale or the placement of your logo or text, select your user control logo and text layer in the final comp and then go to Windows FX control. From here you can make those changes. So right now our text scale is set to 6%. Let's just increase this to 25%, so our logo is there. And then if I want to change the color of the main sphere, which is here, I can go to user color control layer in the final comp, and from the FX control panel I can make those changes. So right now our main sphere is white, so let's just say our main sphere color control is over here and it's white. I want to change this color to something like black. I can do that. So over here right now our logo is visible, but the text is gone because our text color is black as well. So let's just change the text color to something else. Let's just change this to white. So our text and logo are visible, and we also change the color of the main sphere, which is here. So next thing, if I want to make the changes to the background color, I can do that from the same layer, so user color control, and right now our background is blue, so maybe I want to change this to something like darker color, so I can do that, and I can see all the changes has been made. And next thing, if I want to render this out with audio, and I want to render this out in 1920 by 1080, I can double click the render 1920 by 1080 comp in the project panel. So let's just double click here, and to add in the audio, let's just import the audio first. So same as before, right click, import file, select your audio file, drag and drop your audio file in the render comp, and then go to composition, make movie, and then in the render queue you can select your file format from here. So you can select your any kind of file format. Right now it's AVI. If I want to render this out in, let's say for example in FLV, I can go here, I can select my different kind of compression from here, I can hit OK. So before that, don't forget to turn on the audio output on if you have audio added in this comp. Hit OK, click over here, select your location, give it a name, hit save, and hit the render button. So other option with this template is that if you want to render this out without the social network icon and you just want a very basic, plain and simple sphere, what you can do is in the final comp, turn off the visibility of social icon BG layer and turn on the visibility of color sphere BG. So once you have that turn on, you can make the changes to the color from the user color control layer from the final comp, and select your user color control and go to Windows FX control, and here's our small sphere color control. I can select different color for my sphere. I can make that black as well, or I can make that white. So how about this one? So once you're happy with this, and you want to render this out with audio, same as before, you can go into any one of this comp, 1280 or 1920 by 1080 or 1280 by 720. So for this example, let's just say I want to render this out in 1280 by 720. I can just double click this comp, and I can drag and drop my audio here, and then go to composition, make movie, same as before. I can give it a file name and hit the render button. And I think that would be the end for this quick tutorial for this template. I hope you guys like this template, and this is Kundan. Thank you very much.